Where I come from is a different country altogether, and what's expected down there. And by working with stakeholders from the Mallee, the Latchi and different ones, we all learn from each other. That's something that I suppose I should be a bit proud of. The CMA has given us the chance to do so, gain their knowledge, for them to have a knowledge of the country. It helps us, and I'm sure it helps them too. Maybe they should just come and sit in at a meeting, be an observer to understand what it's all about. It's not only teaching my family, it's teaching others. If we could get some of the young ones involved, which would be good. Because I think I'm getting a bit too old.